Amazon Appstream 2.0. I feel vindicated. The only thing easy about about streaming Windows applications about Appstream 2.0 is that you don't have to build the Citrix or the VMware Horizon infrastructure. This basic idea, as I move my landscape into the public cloud or integrate public cloud services, is what do I do with these Windows applications that cannot be modernized or the value isn't there? Conventional wisdom will tell you just install Windows clients and consume those apps, but you want the apps closest to the data, so you need some type of app streaming service, something like a Citrix or Horizon or one of the competitive solutions. Amazon has a competitive solution. When Microsoft doesn't make it easy to license Windows Desktop for the public cloud. So what if I just present only the application that I need? Have a EC2 instance running in the background with Windows Server. I install my SAP green screen application and go to a website, click on just that app, and I'm presented with just that app, not the cruft of the desktop, etc. If it was that easy, it would be that easy. It's just not simple. I don't care if you're talking about Appstream, Citrix, VMware Horizon, or any of the other solutions on the thing on the market. When you have to manage Windows desktops or desktop users or desktop images in the applications, you have all of the burden of doing it. This is the reason why we're modernizing apps, is to get away from this challenge. You know, I need to have a gateway. I need to have firewall settings. I have to manage clients. I have to worry about presentation. I have to worry about screen refresh, presentation from a video perspective. What if I'm streaming video within the app? What about audios? God forbid if you need to print from the app. These are all challenges that the Citrixes of the world, the Appstream 2.0, etc. take care of. I'm not here to pass judgment on whether or not you should do it or shouldn't do it. Sometimes you have to do it, and Appstream 2.0 is that app. Want to learn more about the CTO Advisor? Follow us on the web, thectoadvisor.com. You want to follow this series, AWS Everyday.com. We'll make it simple for you. Talk to you next episode.